A legend, remade for a new generation of explorers. The 2026 Land Cruiser carries decades of trusted adventure in its bones and the confidence to tackle whatever lies ahead. Sharing rugged DNA with Toyota's most trusted trucks and SUVs, yet always standing apart, Land Cruiser holds its ground as an icon with a legacy all its own. Two distinct grades, each ready for the trail: the heritage-rich Land Cruiser 1958 and the feature-packed Land Cruiser Grade. Built to master the road less traveled, or no road at all. Every 2026 Land Cruiser is equipped with the standard I-Force Max hybrid system, producing 326 net combined horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Full-time four-wheel drive with a locking center differential and multi-link rear coil spring suspension comes standard, along with crawl control for steady footing on the toughest terrain. On the Land Cruiser Grade, the available stabilizer disconnect mechanism and standard multi-terrain select system refine control when the trail gets unpredictable. With a max towing capacity of 6,000 pounds, Land Cruiser is ready for the heavy haul. Timeless design cues, modern attitude. Up front, a heritage-inspired Toyota grille signals its roots, whether rolling through city streets or winding up remote switchbacks. Two distinct headlight styles draw from Land Cruiser's rich past: round LEDs on the Land Cruiser 1958 and rectangular LEDs on the Land Cruiser Grade, each inspired by iconic generations before. On the Land Cruiser Grade, standard color selectable Rigid Industries LED fog lights help light the trail, while an available power moonroof opens to let in light and air. The Land Cruiser Grade adds refined touches like 20-inch alloy wheels, an array of two-tone exterior colors, and a standard power liftgate for added versatility. Inside, classic utility meets thoughtful comfort. Standard 3-zone automatic climate control, a heated steering wheel, and heated front seats ensure the cabin stays welcoming no matter the season. The Land Cruiser Grade brings more: ventilated front seats, available leather-trimmed 8-way power front seats, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that keeps vital information clear and close. 6 USB ports and a Qi-compatible wireless charger, standard on the Land Cruiser Grade, deliver charging options that suit every adventure, whether wired or wireless. The available center console cool box on the Land Cruiser Grade offers a convenient space to keep refreshments cool on the go. From first mile to far horizon, Land Cruiser keeps the soundtrack strong. Toyota's audio multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. The Land Cruiser 1958 features a standard 8-inch touchscreen, while the Land Cruiser Grade upgrades to a 12.3-inch touchscreen display and an available 14-speaker JBL premium audio system for full, rich sound. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect, helping keep every journey connected and convenient. Trusted strength comes with smart protection. Every 2026 Land Cruiser comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and front and rear parking assist with automatic braking add peace of mind across every grade. On the Land Cruiser grade, the standard multi-terrain monitor is designed for added confidence in off-road environments, while available driver assistance features like front cross traffic alert, lane change assist, and traffic jam assist with an active Drive Connect trial or subscription are designed to make commutes on controlled access freeways easier. From rugged switchbacks to evening city drives, the 2026 Land Cruiser remains an icon for explorers who trust their vehicle as much as they trust themselves. Every Land Cruiser is backed by Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, plus 2 years of unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. With hybrid capability standard on every Land Cruiser, it's backed by an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty and a 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. A legendary name, built for those ready to write the next chapter of the story. Explore more at Toyota.com.